20 knots. Bay waters choppy. Tonight, south winds 15 to 20 knots decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Bay waters choppy becoming slightly choppy after midnight. Thursday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Friday, south winds around 10 knots. Bay waters smooth is slightly choppy. Friday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Saturday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Bay waters smooth. Saturday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Bay waters slightly choppy. Sunday, south winds 5 to 10 knots becoming southeast 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon. Bay waters smooth becoming slightly choppy in the afternoon. Sunday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots decreasing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Bay waters slightly choppy becoming smooth after midnight. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location. Coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Small craft should exercise caution. Rest of today, south winds around 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Thursday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 3 feet. Friday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Friday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Saturday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 3 feet. Saturday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 3 feet. Sunday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Sunday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. The coastal waters forecast for the following coastal location. Waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Small craft should exercise caution. Rest of today, south winds around 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Thursday, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Thursday night, south winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Friday, southeast winds around 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Friday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Saturday, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Saturday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Sunday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Sunday night, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots. Seas around 3 feet. This is the 3:45 a.m. Upper Texas coastside information for Galveston Channel. Time for today. Low tide at 4:36 a.m. High tide at 10:26 a.m. Low tide at 6:07 p.m. On Thursday, high tide at 1:57 a.m. Low tide at 6:55 a.m. High tide at 10:34 a.m. Low tide at 6:48 p.m. For Clear Lake entrance, times for today, high tide at 5:09 a.m. Low tide at 9:15 a.m. High tide at 2:22 p.m. Low tide at 10:24 p.m. On Thursday, high tide at 12:50 p.m. This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station's public warning system. During potentially dangerous situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 12 noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Problems with reception in this broadcast, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, or even when you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Brazoria, Chambers, Fort Bend, Galveston, Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waller. Repeating, this is a test of the NOAA radio's warning device. This is the 3:45 a.m. Upper Texas Coast Tide information for Galveston Channel. Tide times for today. Low tide at 4:36 a.m. High tide at 10:26 a.m.
A neighbor walking a dog found the victim soon after hearing the gunshots. Investigators are now looking for